Hi everyone, my name is Eric Serra and I'm Worldwide Product Manager. In this training we will talk about HP Click, what it is and what's new and will be coming for the next introduction. So let me first start explaining why is HP Click so important for our customers. So HP Click, it's a driverless printing experience, and once you install HP Click, it's gonna work with all the compatible printers. It gives the confidence to the users that will print right for the first time. And why is that? Because two different reasons. One is we have a nice preview that gives you the preview on what you will be printing. And the other one is that we show alerts explaining you if you are missing fonts, if the content is being clipped, and all this kind of information is very useful for the users that are not experienced printing. And then all this is packed in a drag and print experience. It's very useful and very simple to use and very easy to use for those customers that haven't been using software to print. Let me first show you the numbers of downloads of HP Click on the recent months. So till the beginning of the launch, till this information is seen from last quarter, we have reached more than 30,000 downloads. And as you can see, the number of downloads has been increasing exponentially over the quarters. If we take the last two quarters, we'll see that the number of downloads has been half of all the history. And some of the quotes from our customers are these ones, and let me go through them. Batch printing has never been so easy, and this is because we are able to print multiple PDFs at the same time. Whenever I see media wasted, I know that someone did not use HP Click, and that's why, because we have a nesting functionality that automatically places different files in a way that will waste less media. And the last one, which is my favorite one, is a smart and intuitive tool that fits my workflow perfectly. During an emergency situation, I do not want to be thinking of which printer has what role and what size do I need to print. And that's because we have bidirectionality with the printer. HP Click is able to know which is the media loaded and which is the printer behind, connected to the network. Let me go now to a demo. This is HP Click. This is HP Click, and this is the new UI and the new version we will be launching on the next introduction. Here we have chosen the new DesignJet XL 3600, and we will select the role number 2. Here we have some settings to play with, and in this case what we are going to do is select several PDFs at the same time and drag and drop them to HP Click. Now HP Click will be discovering those pages and processing them. Once these pages are processed, we'll see a thumbnail, a small image on how it looks each of those files. It's almost finished. So let's say that once we have all those files loaded, we want 2 of those 2 pages to be half size to keep the scale. We select both of them and we select half size. And now, as we have the nesting functionality enabled, we see how HP Click is automatically placing all these pages in a way that we are wasting less media. In this case, we have the job done, so we'll send to print. And that's all. That's how simple it is to take several PDFs, put them, drag and drop to HP Click, and print them all at once. Super fast and super easy. And let me tell you now about what's new, what is going to be coming on the next release. We'll have new support of those printers, the PageWide XL 3900, the DesignJet XL 3600, the T16 and T2600, and the design sets, the T100 and T500 printer series. And those are some of the features that will be coming with this new release, which I'm gonna very fast explain. One of them are remember last settings. So HP Click is now able to understand which were the last settings that the user used. So you don't have to do many clicks, a lot of clicks to print again. The second new feature is the single sheet workflow. Users will be able to print single sheet. And how are they gonna do that? They are going to take the single sheet, they will load it in the machine. The printer is gonna measure the width and the length of that sheet. And afterwards, if we go to HP Click and we select from the drop down on paper source, we will see an option which is sheet. Then we will see the size of that sheet that we loaded on the printer in the preview area. And last but not least, this is an important feature that we will be launching because the DesignJet XL3600 and the DesignJet T16 and 2600 are going to enterprise environments. We know that it's very important for IT managers to deploy softwares to many PCs at the same time. So we will have a new version of HP Click, which we call here multi-installation version, which allows IT managers to deploy softwares in a silent way to many PCs at the same time. And here we will have two images where we explain which are the normal installer that we had till now and the new one which is on the right side of this slide. So you see that before, each of the users had to download and install HP Click to their PCs. Of course, to save time, we have came up with a multi-installation which is downloaded and installed by the IT manager, and then the IT manager is the one deploying all the softwares to the end users. And that's all. I hope you like all the new features that we will be launching on the next launch together with our printers. And please download it and talk to our customers about HP Click and how easy it is to print in large format. Thank you very much.